Hello boys and girls of the internet, you're welcome back, and it's your favorite boy Ebenezer Link. And in today's video guys, what I'll be doing is I'm walking us through and I'll be showing you how to actually earn 300 ton using a particular software that I'm going to show you. And yes, you can actually earn this ton using your phone, your smartphone. You don't need a desktop, you don't need a laptop to do this. On your smartphone, you can actually be able to earn this 300 ton, and it's very easy. The strategy I'm going to show you is very easy. It's going to be a step-by-step process which is very easy for you to actually do. Now I'm going to get started. I'm going to show you everything you need to do on my phone screen, but before I do that guys, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Ebenezer Link, and one of the things I do on this particular channel on the Grind Academy is that I create awesome videos that is basically centered around making money online. So if you're interested in making money online, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon. Now what happens is when you do that, if I drop a video on how to make money online, you get notified and you get to put into action what I show you in the channel. Alright, and if you like this video right now, which I know you do, please hit the like button, go like the video. And if you want me to do more videos that can actually help you earn ton or earn USDT or mine and earn, be sure to actually drop in the comment section, drop USDT, hashtag USDT in the comment section. And having said that, we're going to get into the main video right now. Welcome back to my screen, and yes, I'm going to show you how you can mine ton using your phone, your devices. All right, so I'm going to what you're going to do first is have a Telegram account. If you don't have a Telegram account, be sure to actually get to the point where you create a Telegram account. Once you create the Telegram account, you sign up with your phone number, and then log in, and then come back to this particular video. You're going to see in the description section or in the comment section, there's going to be a link that is going to actually lead you to the software. Now this link is to actually help you get to the software. Once you click on the link, it's going to redirect you to this platform here, Ton Mine app. Once you get to this particular platform, now make sure you use the link to be able to get the right platform, because there are platforms out there that will actually scam you and take your money. So you have community right here, so you can see right here you have community, and right here you have Ton Mine, which is mine ton or something, right? And you also have these options right here. The options right here, you can actually click on them, but I don't actually use them. I'm actually here to do something and then get out. So I have Ton Mine, so I click on Ton Mine. Once I click on Ton Mine, it's going to start opening, but then it takes a little bit of time to actually open, so we'll give it a while to open. So it opens already. This time around it was really fast. So you can see right here, if you check right here, you're going to see right here that I already have about 38.297 ton, and right, so right here I have actually earned this, and I've actually made my first withdrawal on this particular platform. Now you're going to see the activities you can actually carry out on this platform right here. There are different activities, this one. You can actually carry out these activities on this platform, but then you have to stake to actually get to the point where you rented the activity. You can actually make money with the activity. Yes, you can make money with it, but then I really would advise you that you be careful when using particular apps like this, because you're only here to make money. So you just focus on making money and not putting in your money. So you can actually make money without putting your money, but then if you put in your money, it guarantees you to actually make more money. So now let's look at this. Now if you click on this one right here, for 30 days, if you rent this with 50 ton, you're going to have daily yield of 149 ton, and total yield is about 4,499 ton, and that is a lot. Yeah, that's a lot of profit, but I wouldn't still advise you to put in your money here. Just get to the point where you perform the free activities and make money. So let's get this off. So if you look at this place here, you have claim right here. So if I should click on claim right now, so I have about 38.29 ton, so I'm going to click on claim 292. So I click on claim. Let's look at the last. Okay, so you have here now 38.30 ton. That's what I have now, right? So now this is it. Now I'm going to show you how to really, once you do this and you set this up, you're going to start making money already. But let me show you how you can actually make the most money out of this. I'm going to show you before the end of this video. So now let's look at this. Let's look at, there is a place here. You see this? It's a wallet icon right here. You have a settings icon right here. You have this. So now let's look at this. This wallet icon, if you click on it, let's first click on settings. We click on settings, we have language and about us. You can go ahead and check the about us, right? You can check about us, right? So let's remove this. Now if we go to wallets, we'll go open wallets right here. You're going to see that I've mined this and I've made withdrawal here. So you can see the wallet here. I've mined I've actually made a withdrawal here, right? And you can see the one I've mined here about 38.30, and you can see the withdrawal option right here, which I can click and actually make withdrawal. So if I should click on this withdraw option right here, I have for me to be able to withdraw, I need to have accumulated 300 ton, right? So, and my network fee is going to be about 0.003. I cannot withdraw right now except I've accumulated this amount, and I just have about that 8 point something. So I have like days or even not months to actually mine. But then it actually makes sense when you mine and you withdraw this. It's like soft money coming to you, right? So let's get this off, and let's get this off too. Come over right here. Now, how do you make the most money using this particular software? Now, if you actually refer a lot of persons, the balance is going to come over right here. You're going to see your amount that you make here. You have I can actually withdraw this one right now. It's about 0.0604 cents. Once I click on withdrawal, I can actually go ahead and withdraw it. Right now, how do I refer people? If I should refer more persons, I'm gonna make more money. Refer more persons and make more money. How do I refer more persons? All I have to do is just click on here, right? Click on here. You can see this. You can see this. Click on this one, right? That people icon right here. Once you click on it, like this, let me remove this. Click on it like this. You see, people have referred already. So the more persons you refer, the more money you can actually, and this is actually the sweetest part of this, because you can actually withdraw this immediately to your wallet. So refer more persons and you earn more money. So if I should refer you right now, and then I'm gonna earn more ton referring you. So it's actually, my network is actually very poor, so it's actually not taking a lot of time to actually show people that I've referred. So I'm gonna get this off. Remember what I said earlier? Remember what I've said earlier? Don't put your money in this. Don't put your money in this. Don't put your money in this. Don't click on this. Don't rent, right? Mine for free, right? Mine for free. So all you have to do is, once you get on the platform, claim every day and mine every day, and that is it, right? So that's it for this tutorial, and guys, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Be sure to use this particular software wisely.